Hi, Sue Wilson, and I've got a beautiful card done with duck egg blue and white today, just showing you how some of the dyes really meld together really nicely. I'll introduce you to what we'll be using today. The edger is called the Chantilly lace edger from our configurations range. The Megan die is going to be our focal element. We're going to be using that one. And I'm just going to be using some of the little teeny centers from the passion flower, but you can see how it'll make a really cute little flower. And for the background, I'm using the diamond squares. Okay, so I've already gone ahead and done a bit of cutting, and I've cut the diamond squares. Now, one of the things I wanted to point out to you with this die is that there are no outside cutting edges, and you can line this up to create bigger pieces if you want in either direction. But I've just used it as one cut out of the coconut white by itself, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and mat it onto the duck egg blue. Just a bit of spray glue for that. Just pop that into place, okay? So now you can see that showing through it. So what I want to do is cut an aperture. So I'm just going to use the outer cutting edge from the Megan, and we're going to pop that into place right in the center. A little bit of removable tape, and you can use the squares to help line it up a bit. So you've got it centered nice. That looks pretty good. Give that a quick cut. And you're cutting through two pieces of cards. Give it a good roll. Check and make sure it's gone through both of them. That looks pretty good. Remove our tape carefully. And we're not going to be using this piece for this card, but it's quite a cool little piece. You could use this for something else, so we'll set that aside. Okay, so now I've got a real pretty background, and I'm going to go ahead and move over to one I've done earlier and added some mounting foam to it. And I'm going to put it onto another piece of duck egg just to show from beneath it. So raising it up a bit of dimension here. I've gone all the way around the edge with some foam and then added some little bits right around the aperture to hold it up. Don't want our card to sag in the middle. There we go. Pop that into place like that. And I've gone ahead and cut the Megan except for the very center here, so you can see what a pretty die cut that is. And I'm going to just put that down into the recessed area. A little bit of spray glue. And I think I'll even use a tiny bit of cosmic glue to make sure it's really stuck down on the edges here, just a little bit around the edge. That should work. Okay, we'll get it going the same direction. Put that right back into place, down into that die cut. And let me just use my pokey tool to make sure all the edges get down. Go around. A little bit of a push. See how pretty that is. Okay, so I'm going to come back to this in just a second. So I've also cut a larger piece of duck egg blue. I've added some strips of self-adhesive sticky to the edges. And I'll give you a quick measurement on this. This is 7 1/8 by 5 1/8. So what I'm going to do is peel up one of the sides like that. And I'm going to bring in the Chantilly lace dies that I've cut. Get a hold of the other one. There we go. And I'm going to line this up and just try and get it as close to the edge as I can. And lay it down just about like that. That looks good. We'll trim away the excess bit there. I'm not worried about that right now. And do this side. Same thing, just sort of line it up. Try to get those tips right up to the edge there. Pop that down. You can even use the waxy side of this to just make sure it's good and adhered on both sides. And I'm going to bring in piece of copy paper. And we're going to glitter that with the Frosted Sparkle Glitterbitz. And I have to admit, this is my new favorite color. It is lovely. You have 3 sizes of glitter here, and it's just so sparkly. So I'm going to pop that right over that. Tap it away and do this side. And looks like I've got all of that. So let's put the leftover bit back in there. There we go. Move that aside, and I'll just trim up the edges. And you can do this on a paper cutter or just with a pair of scissors. It's just a little teeny bit on all 4 sides. And just using the edge of the blue card as a line to go up against. There we go. Okay. So now I'm going to bring in our mat that we've done. So I've got the pierced white edge. I put a little bit of a duck egg blue mat on there just to tie in that same color. I'm going to pop that right in the middle. That looks good. And then this piece will go right in the center here. And I think I will just use a little bit of cosmic glue for this. Should work. Line that up. Just sort of get it as straight as possible. Excuse me to see. There we go. That's looking good. Now I want to add a little bit of a border there. So I've taken a piece of our double strip pearls and I've cut them down the center, and I'm just going to add a real pretty little pearl border on the edge here. Just feels like it's more finished that way. Get a hold of that. Just lay those down in place. And this side. Right to the edge. And just run them all the way down the edge. And I just think that gives it a really pretty little finish on the edge there. Okay, so next I've cut the center of the Megan just to give me the same exact shape but up a little higher, because I'm going to place my sentiment in the middle there. Pop that into place. And from the center of the Summer Rose frame, I've just cut the For You out of the same duck egg blue. We use a little bit of spray glue. Pop this one into place. Right in the middle, and it's just going to go a little bit off on either side, but I think that's absolutely fine. And like I said, using these little itty-bitty center dies from the passion flower, I've created the tiniest little flower just by layering them up and offsetting them with a little pearl in the middle of them. And sometimes you just need the smallest little flower to accent. And we're going to pop that into the corner right here. Really cute. You could do a couple more if you wanted up in the top, but I think it's just elegant like that. Add some pearls to your lace edge and you are finished. Quick and easy card and really, really pretty. I love all the dimension to this one. Hope you've enjoyed today's video, and don't forget our YouTube channel is just chock full of videos for you.